In this video, we will learn how to get CLI command from our Figma file using plugin and install in real project. Now let's check how to generate Blocks CLI command steps one by one. First, we provide a free and pro both blocks in Figma file of naming convention of pro blocks/hero section/1. Now select any frame and run our plugin. Now simply go to a Figma frame. I have selected feature section 1 as of now and simply run our plugin. Now navigate to copy CLI block and page. As of now I am using the version 3 and simply click on generate CLI. Now the CLI code is generated. I am simply click on a copy CLI command and jump into my project and paste command over here and hit enter. Let's check in the browser. Write your localhost ID / your block name and hit enter. So you can see the block is already installed in your project. It's that simple. So now we have idea about how to generate a CLI with our plugin.